All right, that's time for the end of the day PulseWave report with yours truly. That's the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger reports. All right, so now we're going to jump directly into our charts. We're going to knock this out and keep it pushing because it's late in the day and I'm tired. All right, so the first chart we're going to look at this evening is MXC on the ASX. This is MGC Pharmaceuticals. As you can see here, the bears are truly in control of this market. Here is your last alert, which was a crash alert on the 22nd of March. And then here's the corresponding downside production all the way to the trend line support, which is exactly where I expected it to go. Possible we could possibly get a little bounce here. We're in neutral territory now. See, this is neutral. So it is possible that we can get a little bounce. Like I said, possible. We'll have to wait and see. But our target has been met. So if you are short, this is where you're going to be locking in those profits and be prepared just in case you get a technical bounce from here. All right. So you want to pop your way through this one at this point. All right. I think we will come down a little bit more, though, because we do have the gap right here that we need to fill. Got to take care of this gap back here. OK, so once that happens, come down a little bit further, then I think you'll probably start basing out and try to recoup some of the loss there. As far as gold futures, continue to do exactly as I warned that it would do. It's coming after to take out the support. Here's your crash alert. Here's the downside production that you're continually getting. What else can you say? It is what it is, you know? All right. Next up, we got the NASDAQ 100 futures. And as you can see here, bears still in control of the market. All right. Keeping it at bay. All right. Crash alert here, downside production. Now we're just moving sideways, but threatening to fall off the cliff. Definitely got that one on the radar. What about the Russell My Hustle? Well, same thing. We're in a neutral zone, but the bears have it for now. Here's your crash alert. Here's your little bit of downside production before back and fill, closing above the trend line resistance now. So right now, I still think we're going to come down and take out this bearish pointer. But, you know, you got to trade what you see at this stage of the game. But right now, the bears still seem to be in control. All right, what about silver? Again, doing exactly as I was warning. Another down leg in the process. Here's your crash alert. Here's all the downside production. And we did briefly drop below $24 an ounce today. And this one seems to be continuing to fall. I think it's going to take out the bearish pointer back here, and we could drop below $20 an ounce in silver. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin right now is holding its ground. Here's the rally alert. Here's 2 days in a row of upside production. Again, 60,000 was hit, but it's where your resistance zone is. We'll see if the Bitcoin can push through it. Or is it going to roll over? That is the number one question. So we will see if we can get an answer. All right, next up, we got DOT. We have a crash alert in the DOT for tonight into tomorrow's trading. All right, I did get a message on the Qcoin. Said that the system upgrade notice, the Qcoin futures system is going to upgrade at 7 a.m. on March the 31st, and that tradings will be temporarily suspended for 90 minutes. So that's something to think about as we're going into tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, for those that trade at Qcoin. All right, so that's just a heads up. So I want to go in and I want to be able to do a little operating here, but I'm mindful of that notice as well. So we'll see what we can do there. May have to wait. May miss that one. All right, Ethereum. You have Ethereum here, and here's the rally alert. Here's the upside production. Now we're getting near that resistance zone, so I think it's about to roll over at this point. But it could surprise us and punch through resistance and keep on moving. We will see, but we're going to keep an eye on it for now. All right, next up, we got Litecoin. All right, as you can see here again, Litecoin had the advantage of the rally alert this week. Here's your rally alert. Here's your 2 days of upside production. Still got a little ways to go before it starts getting near that resistance zone. So we'll see how much energy this one has left in it, but bulls have it for now. All right, here is Theta. All right, taking a look at Theta. So bullish pointer here. Got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on the Theta. All right, can't ignore that. How much downside we may have is questionable, as the last several crash alerts really didn't yield any downside, but it doesn't mean that this time we're crying wolf again. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see on this one as well. Next up, we got the XTZ Ripple. And as you can see here, we came into the week with a rally alert. And here's the upside production here, pushing its way outside of the Kumo cloud. Can it keep it going? Can we lift off and take out the bullish pointer back here? That is the #1 question. And I really don't know if it has enough in it to do. I just don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. It depends on how the bulls want to do this. All right. I see you there for NEO. NEO is in the stock, if that's what you mean. Here it is right here, NIO. And you got a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. Overhead trendline resistance around the $45 a share is going to be the target on that one. All right, let's see here. You want to see the Aussie? Let's see. All right. All right, so here is your Aussie. Here's the rally alert, and we only got just very little upside production. The market really stalled out right there at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, which is a key resistance area, and then you fell down right after that. So we're going to have to watch this one. Technically, according to the algo charts, the bulls still have it at the moment. All right, but if we cannot take out these key support levels, then we should be okay. If not, it's dangling over the edge and it could just really drop like a stone. Definitely follow the reports on this one and trade accordingly. All right, that's all we have time for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Smash that like button, and remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back, and I'm out. Peace.